OMUSUBI channel, and if you're first time viewer of this channel, you have to know what our channel is about. In this channel, you will find all great Japanese products which are ranked by us just for you. Today, we're gonna make some Souffle pancakes by using some ready-to-mix pancakes.
Let's start!
In Japan, they will call pancake hot cake. Okay, let's start. We have egg and milk and only this box.
What is this box?
This is pancake mix.
It's a pancake mix from Morinaga. That's the company name.
Also, how to cook. Even you can't read Japanese, so you can get.
That's why we're here for you.
Firstly, you should break the egg.
Okay.
And pour the milk 40 milliliter. And mix egg and milk. Okay. One can make for 3 pancakes.
For the whole thing?
Okay. And then only mix.
If you can see, it's changing into a very, very thick batter. It's hard to whisk. So thick right now.
Yes. And then we're gonna turn on the heat.
Really? That's it?
Yes, that's it.
Oh my god. It doesn't even take 3 minutes, guys.
Also in the box, they will have this one. Powdered sugar for decorating.
Ooh, for the toppings.
Yes.
That is a super fancy breakfast.
Next, we're gonna make it a good
Yeah,
shape.
but how are we gonna do the shape?
I got this product from Daiso.
Wow, cute.
We got the oil. Yeah.
And then do chop, chop, chop.
Everywhere.
Like we put a nice oil coating. Professional bakers right now.
If you don't put the oil everywhere, it's gonna stick it somewhere.
Ah, okay.
Especially corner. You pour
pour.
this to that.
I hope I don't make anything fall.
Everything. And then, so you're gonna flat.
Now it's literally flat.
And then put directly to there.
And it's absolutely safe.
Okay.
That's it. It will happen by itself. Oh, so you can tell me how long it will take to make it?
Oh, we need to wait around 7 minutes.
And medium flow. Okay. Medium, 7 minutes, and it will be done. We'll see you after 7 minutes.
Oh.
All right. Is it 7 minutes?
Yes, I think it's time.
I'm so excited. Please open
Let's have a
it.
shake.
Wow.
You see?
It has puffed so much.
Yes.
So exciting. So,
I will flip it for you.
really? Oh.
See how fluffy.
Oh, how long?
For 3 minutes.
Okay, do we cover it up again?
Yes, why not?
Okay. Let's wait 3 more minutes and then our pancake is ready.
So now let's prepare the decorating. Whipped cream
I love whipped cream.
and mix.
Very fancy. All right, we have our berries here.
Let's see. Wow. So turn off.
Let's turn off the stove and it's in a good shape.
Here we go.
Oh, okay, it's a little hot. And oh my god.
This is so
The
nice.
perfect pancake, guys, I have ever made in my life.
We're gonna start to decorate by now by whipped cream. Here you go.
Ooh. Yay! I love it. Okay, so for topping, we're gonna put.
Okay. Here we got sugar powder.
Oh my god, I love it. It looks so pretty. And the final and the fanciest topping, that is the sugar.
This is wow.
We did a super good job, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, that's the ultimate fanciest thing you can make at home. Make it for your kids, for your date, husband, boyfriend, whoever will be happy.
It's a home cafe.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, I would like to have a cup of coffee.
Coffee with pancake.
Now it's time to try.
Ooh. So creamy inside. Damn.
It's so fluffy. Wow.
Yeah, it's
You
like,
can see the egg inside.
like it said, souffle cake because the inside is like super fluffy.
A bit cream. Itadakimasu.
How is it?
So fluffy.
Did I make it right? Then how's the taste wise?
It's not so sweet and have a really good smell. It's a smell like a butter in the end. Yes,
Ooh,
really
fancy.
nice.
And then of course the toppings make extra. So serve it with whatever you like, maple syrup, berries, bananas, whatever you like, and give it to your loved ones.
So, do you like our pancake today?
Did you find it easier for us? Let us know in the comment section.
If you like our video, please give us the like. And if you have another comment, please give us at the comment below.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.